How to fix wireless power sharing battery limit is gray out or disabled and you are unable to change on your Samsung phone. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is to get to this menu. You can do so by swiping down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on battery, and we go down and tap on wireless power sharing. Now if this option is turned on, then this is gray out, so you need to switch it off, and here after that you can change the limit. Now another thing that may cause these options to gray out is when you set an upper limit and your battery is below the battery limit. If it is below the battery limit, then you won't be able to change it. So that is another thing that may cause the issue. Another thing or another problem is that if your phone is plugged into a non-compliant charger, such or a slow charger, then this option is also gray out. So a non-compliant charger or a slow charger will also cause this option to gray out. So check those three things to fix your battery limit is gray out for wireless power sharing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.